Today I'm here to introduce you my lesson on persuasive essays. Okay, so our classroom setting is in a computer lab. It's very different. If now we know a lot of people, they have difficulties on writings. I mean, with pen writings, but they can type a lot better with their computers. So if any of our students have this anxiety, there's a good news for you. We are having this class in our computing lab. And it will be a 50 minutes class. And after I give the instruction, they will be able to have chance to write and to do their research immediately on the computer at the same time. Okay, so here are my content. First of all, I have my instruction, the purpose of writing, lesson plan, goals, level and learners, objectives, teaching materials, which is my computer, and the process, which contains pre-writing, working in pairs, debating, and writing activity, and post-writing activity, and an assignment. Before all of that, I want to address that in this level, a lot of us, we are concentrating on low, intermediate level. But as for my class, I base on their class and to draw the students into intermediate level, so which is a little bit higher. Okay, so here are my teaching goal. Students will be comprehended for formal writing skill. And the levels and learners, which was mentioned, is instead of low intermediate level, it's intermediate level of 20 students. And my objective is the students can write debating, well, actually it's persuasive paragraphs in formal words, which contains 5 paragraphs. One, which means 1 introduction, 3 body parts, which is the main points, the 3 main points in the paragraph, and lastly, the conclusion. So my teaching material is a mistype, but it's computers. Okay. So here are the procedures. First of all, pre-writing with brainstorming. So we will open up to the page 46 of a textbook, and to help the students to think what kind of threats of the environment are there around us, because our topic is environment saving. So they will read through the book, and they are allowed to check online at the same time, and students will be grouped and be able to share their ideas with their classmates during a period of time. And secondly, pair work, which lasts 10 minutes. So they will be assigned to form groups in pairs, read from the textbook, a website related, and discuss at the same time in pairs. And later on, this will connect to the next part, and they will have to write out the advantage and disadvantage of environmental development. And then this will lead them to group discussion, that they will be able to have a bilingual debate, because it's an intermediate level. So they are allowed to use Chinese, but they are allowed, but it doesn't mean it's encouraged. But they are allowed when they are having a lack of vocabularies. So they have to form groups in 2 pairs. So first of all, they have those points in their pair work. Secondly, these pair work will combine together and become a small debate. So after these groups, which means there will be 5 groups that have their own debate, they are able to share these ideas. With this topic, should we allow any more environmental development? And they will have to complete the worksheet, which is the question I will give them on computer and share with the whole class on the blog. So, fourthly, they will have the writing activity. After all the brainstorming, the pair work, and the group debate, bilingual debate, they will have the free writing from the what they have done. They need to write an essay about environmental development without checking spelling and grammatical problems, which gives them maybe the second brainstorming that helps them. And then, last but not least, they will have a post-writing activity, which helps them to write their main thing, the persuasive essay. This is a mistype. So by using the free writing essay and all the points they had in their debate, they will be able to write their persuasive essay. So the last assignment is to write down this what they observed during this process and be able to write their last assignment, which is an essay within 1,000 words to describe how a persuasive essay is produced on topic that of their own choice. The essay should include introduction, which was mentioned, and three body parts, and one last concluding paragraphs. And they are required to post it on their own blog and to share with their classmates. And each classmates are required to give comments to their classmates. So even though if they don't know what to say, they are allowed to say, "Oh, it's good. I like this part," and that will be accepted. Okay, so here's my presentation. Thank you.